Hey, this is Drew with Frontera Consulting, and we're getting ready for the Region 1 Technology Show that's going to be taking place next week on South Padre Island. I want to give you a quick tour of some of the equipment that we have going into the show that's going to be powering it. We're staging it all in Edinburgh right now and getting it ready. So here we go. Let me see if I can flip this camera around here. All right, so to start off, what we have down here is our core aggregation switch. This is an Extreme X670 G2 48T. This is 48 ports of 10 gig running SFP plus all the way across. You can even put up to 4 ports of 40 gig on this thing. It's a pretty sweet switch. And then down, or right above that, you see a 24 port PoE. That's an X450E, also from Extreme, and that's going to be powering some of our access points as well as some of the other components in the rack. And above that, we've got a Ruckus Zone Director 3025. We're going to be hanging 12 Ruckus access points off of this guy, and this is where it's going to get all of its command and control information. Feeding the different vendors that are on the show floor, you can see we got a bunch of Cisco switches over here. We've got some Catalyst 2960s. These are pretty awesome. If you can see up on the top there, these are PoE plus switches. They've got 10 gig uplink and 48 ports of 1 gig all across them. So the vendors should be having a pretty nice time there. Over here we've got a Dante. Yeah. Dante's working hard getting all this stuff configured.
What's going on?
Feeding each one of the labs, we've got 48 port Summit X250E 48Ts from Extreme. So all the labs are going to have nice connectivity inside there. There's Dante again. And then down you've got a couple more Cisco switches feeding some of the conference rooms. You've got an aggregation switch from Extreme, a couple more closets to be covered with Cisco switches, and some more Extreme switches over here, as well as another Cisco switch. We've got a little baby FortiGate 90D holding us over until the big one comes in. We're getting a 3000 series FortiGate that's going to be taking place and doing all of our routing and aggregation out to a 300 meg pipe from Time Warner. But this is a quick view of what's going on to the Region 1 Technology Show. This is all going to be put in place this coming week. We're expecting about 1,500 people, each one of them carrying about 3 devices each. And this is the network that's going to be powering it. Anyway, you guys have a great day and thanks for watching.